Greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about another tool of technical analysis, that is trends. So let's have a look on various trends of stock market.
Stock charts used to identify the current trend of price. On the basis of that, we can predict future price of the stock. A trend line is a straight line that connects two or more price points and then extends into the future to act as a line of support or resistance. I'll tell you about support level and resistance level in the next session. Okay, there are different types of trend. First one is uptrend, then the second one is downtrend, and the third one is flat or neutral trend. If you think that the price of a security will increase in the future, you will be interested to invest in such a security because you are expecting a price hike and you like to sell your shares at a high price and to enjoy the benefits. If the prices are rising, it is known as bullish tendency. And if there is a bullish tendency, the investor will buy securities at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Likewise, if there is a bearish tendency means declining tendency of price, then the investor will sell the shares because he is expecting a price decline. A bear market is dangerous, where a bull market is a market where economy is sound. Do you know where did bull and bear market get their names? The actual origin of these expectations are unclear, but I'll tell you some of the popular stories behind this. Both the animals are known for their incredible and unpredictable strength, like stock market volatility. Stock market volatility means the big swings or changes in the price of a security or market index. While attacking its opponent, bear will swipe or slap down, and the bull will thrust or push his horns up into the air. These actions were related symbolically to the movement of a market. That's why we are using bull for an increasing tendency and bear for a declining tendency of stock markets. And another story is that once there were blood sports of bull and bear fights. So the bull and bear were considered as opposite, and that may be another reason for naming the stock market, opposite tendencies of the stock market, as bull and bear. Okay, so let's discuss about uptrend. Uptrend is defined as a series of higher highs and higher lows. In this process, the share price move in the upward direction, touching new highs. An uptrend line has a positive slope and it is formed by connecting two or more low points. Here the low points are L1, L2, L3, L4, etc. Okay, and here this H4, the point H4 is greater than H3 and H3 is greater than H2 and H2 is greater than H1. Likewise, L4 is greater than L3, L3 is greater than L2 and L2 is greater than L1. These are known as swing lows. These L1, L2, L3, L4 are known as swing lows. Then the H1, H2, H3, etc. are known as swing highs. Okay. Then the second tendency is that downtrend. Downtrend is defined as a series of lower highs and lower lows. The share price moves in the downward direction, making new lows in the process. Hence, the best indication of a downtrend is the price making a lower top and lower bottom. A downtrend line has a negative slope and is formed by connecting two or more high points. Okay, here the high points are H1, H2, H3, H4. Okay, and the next trend is flat or sideways trend. Flat or sideways trend is a situation where prices move in a range, neither going upward nor downward. They move in a horizontal direction for a long period of time. This is an example for flat or sideways trend. Okay, and the next one is reaction. In technical analysis, a reaction is a short-term trend reversal in the movement of a security's price. And prices move in a zigzag fashion with any rise or fall interrupted by a counter move is known as a reaction. In an uptrend, the reaction is downwards, while in a downtrend, the reaction is upwards. Okay, you can identify this trend as uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend, but here we can see a counter move towards the downside. Here and here you can see a counter move towards the downside. This is what known as reaction. Okay, then trend reversal. A change in the direction of trend is known as trend reversal. Every trend will change its direction even if it is a powerful one. This change in the direction of a trend from up to down or from down to up is called a trend reversal. Okay, here in this example it was a downtrend, and from that the trend changed to uptrend. Okay, so these are the different types of trends. Thank you.